Hello everyone. In today's class we are going to discuss one of the topic from quality management, and in this class we are going to solve one of the numerical question from RDU old paper, and this numerical cover the one of the example of C chart. So the given question is like that: table 3.1 indicates the number of non-conformities observed in 26 successive samples of 100 printed circuit boards, that is PCB. The inspection unit is defined as 100 boards. Construct a C chart and indicates whether process is in control. So the given table is this, and here total 26 samples are given. So these are the formulas we are going to use in this question. Central line for C chart is equal to C bar, and upper control limit is equal to C bar plus 3 under root C bar, and lower control limit is equal to C bar minus 3 under root C bar. And this you should remember that if the lower control limit is found to be less than 0, that is negative, this lower control limit is negative, then it is converted to 0. So now first we calculate the center line. The center line is equal to C bar, that is equal to summation C divided by the total number of sample, that is 26. So the given table is this, and summation C is equal to 516 and total samples, that is 26. So C bar is equal to 19.85. Similarly, we are going to calculate upper control limit and lower control limit for C chart. So upper control limit is equal to C bar plus 3 under root C bar, and we are going to put all the values of C bar, and we get upper control limit is equal to 33.22 and lower control limit is equal to 6.48. So now with the help of center line, upper control limit, lower control limit, and given data table, we draw a C chart for number of non-conformities. Here I simply rearrange all the samples, that is all the number of non-conformities in ascending order, so you can see easily that which points are in between lower control limit and upper control limit, and which samples are out of control. So this is the C chart we draw with the help of total 26 samples, and now it is asked in question that to check whether the process is in control or not. So it can be observed from the C chart that the 2 points fall outside the control limits, that is point number 6 and point number 20, or sample number 6 or sample number 20. So therefore the process is not in statically control, and we can also say that the test result for C chart of number of non-conformities failed at the points 6 and 20 because these points are falls outside the control limits.